Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, this is our single topic wise video, and in today's video we will be talking about clean energy. See students, the demand for energy is rising day by day, right? Our country India, we are a developing nation, right? So as we will be moving from developing status to a developed status, the amount of electricity need will be increasing, energy demand will be increasing, right? First thing. Second thing, AI is in picture now, right? AI requires data centers that will be running all the computation, and these data centers, they require large amount of water and electricity, water to basically cool them, right? So here also you are seeing that the demand for electricity will be increasing in near future, and our existing sources of energy, they are non-renewable sources of energy that we are using. They create pollution, they are harmful for the environment, correct? So for the same reason, now we need to have clean energy sources of energy that will power the future generation. So for the same reason, Tata Power and IIT Bombay, they have signed a master research agreement. This is a research agreement, so the focus here will be on research here, correct, on innovation. And we know with the rise of AI, research and innovation can come handy. So Tata Power and IIT Bombay, they have signed this MRA to accelerate the development, scaling and commercialization of the next generation energy technologies and clean energy solution. Students, one fuel for future can be green hydrogen. It is very prominent as it burns. When it burns, it leaves water as the residue in the form of vapor. Then next thing, remember, you can see Tata Power and IIT Bombay partner to develop next generation clean energy technology. So both the organization will bring their expertise to do research and innovation. Then the partnership aims to bridge the gap between laboratory research and commercial deployment by developing scalable, industry-ready energy technologies, accelerating India's clean energy transition and strengthening energy security and sustainable development. The collaboration will focus on developing solutions in smart grids, power electronics, energy storage systems, electric mobility, cybersecurity, AI for power systems, digital grid technologies, carbon capture technologies, circular economy, and many more. Also, the agreement combines IIT Bombay's advanced scientific research innovation capabilities and technology development expertise with Tata Power's industry experience, large-scale technology development capabilities, and commercialization expertise. So, this is your topic for the day, where the focus will be on doing research on clean energy technologies for the future, both for generation as well as for transmission. That's all for the day, students. Thank you and have a nice day.